Making a U-turn in English. Mastering the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, making a U-turn. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive right in. Making a U-turn is a phrase that comes from driving. In driving, a U-turn is when you turn your car around in a U-shaped path to go back in the opposite direction. But, when used as a metaphor in everyday English, it means to change your decision, opinion, or plan to the opposite of what it was before. It's often used when someone changes their mind completely. Let's see some examples of how making a U-turn can be used. 1. Personal decisions. I was going to sell my car, but I made a U-turn and decided to keep it. 2. Business context. The company made a U-turn on their policy after customer feedback. 3. Political sphere. The politician made a U-turn on their earlier statement about the environment. These examples show how versatile this phrase can be in different contexts. It's important to remember that making a U-turn is used to describe a significant and complete change. It's not used for small or minor changes. Also, it's more common in informal conversations and less so in formal writing. Try to create your own sentences using making a U-turn. Think about situations in your life or news stories where this phrase could be applied. Practicing will help you understand and use the phrase more naturally. That's all for today's lesson on making a U-turn. I hope this video has been insightful and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances, and you're doing great. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!